All right, let's move some crap around. Well, it was supposed to be an easy day. It's already going to be a difficult day. So, for some reason the tractor won't start. Check the battery, it is good. It's acting like it may be possibly a safety switch or something right here. I'm guessing. But that's the kind of stuff I deal with all the time. I'm supposed to be putting tires on my truck. It's supposed to be simple. Start this up, move it out of the way, get the charger, move it out of the way, start doing the tires. But now I get to work on this. And now I don't get to do the tires until I get this done. Hopefully it's something simple. I mean, I could do the tires, but I don't know. Yeah, I may still do the tires. I don't know. I'm kind of one of them. If this doesn't work, I'm not going to work on anything else till this is fixed, because this is my main thing. This is what keeps our driveway in shape. So let's tear into it and see what it is. Yeah, I'm sorry, don't have no mic. I got some ordered. Hopefully they'll be in, since I decided to break it. Actually, Mother Nature did. Camera went wham on the ground, broke it. All right, so I'm hoping, never been into this. I'm hoping if I can take that out, I can see the safety switch in here. I'm hoping that's what it is. See if I can get you up close. Nope. Well, it's just a couple of castle nuts and a washer. get a little jumper wire and see if we can bypass the switch. Sometimes it pays to have a messy shop because I found a random chunk of wire laying on the ground. Make sure it's a neutral. Damn it. Can't keep the wire in there. See if it starts without it first. Okay, don't do nothing. Okay, so it ain't our switch. What else could it be? This is a power probe. We can test power, we can check ground, and we can push a button and put direct power to something. We'll play around and see if we got power to the starter. It's right in my way now. So I have 12 volts. So that's grounded out now. And that shows it's grounded. So the switch is working because now I have it in gear. And if you listen when I put it in neutral, now I can go in reverse. It should go off. Back in neutral. That tells me the switch is good. Now we got to check, see if we got power to the starter. Okay, there's 12 volts. Make sure it's in neutral. The starter is working. Okay, let's see if that. We got something going on with this key. Little fuse box. I don't know what they go to, but we can definitely check and see if we get power to any of this. So right now, that's just a continuity test. It tells me the fuse is good. Well, It's looking like it's possibly the actual switch, the ignition tumbler. Like that. Hoping to take this all off so we can see the ignition or the tumbler. Gives us a little bit more access. Okay. There we go. Uh-oh, that's not good. You see somebody got electrical tape all over it. Oh, now we'll see if we got power. All right, I'm gonna hold that wire in. You guys start it up for me. All right, go ahead and crank it. Right, come on, guys. Now I can't see. I'm getting anything. Well, I think I just found our problem. Ruby was playing on this. She had that lodged in. It was acting like a safety switch. Well, that would be a safety switch. It probably won't kick on. We probably tore all this apart because of a safety switch right here. Well, we'll see what happens. Put it all back together. Well, no, it's still not working. Well, the moral of the story, when your kids are playing on your tractor, make sure all your safety switches are set. She basically was playing around with the knob back here that I never mess with, which is for the PTO, and it was pushed forward. So basically the tractor thought the PTO was in gear. That's a safety switch. It will not turn on. Oh boy. All right. Well, let's get it all put back together. I didn't have anything better to do anyway. It's not like I wanted to get tires put on anyway. Actually, I did. Yeah, this is my own fault. I totally forgot about that safety switch back here, or PTO switch. It may have not have started either when that was in gear. I don't know. We'll see. Or locked in like that. I'm pretty sure there's a safety here too, so we'll see. I'd still start with that on there. All right. Get it all back together. Looks like it goes that way. As tight as it goes. There's supposed to be a little nipple here that keeps this from spinning, but it's broken off. Probably need to see if I can get a new switch. Oh, I'm such a dummy. Damn it. I always wanted to see what it looked like underneath here anyway. I can't see. Oh, are you kidding me? Da, da, da. All right, so that's how you troubleshoot a safety switch. Always check your safety switches. That's probably what's going to be. Oh, forgot to put this on. Oh, did I get this? How did that get on there? Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's all good. It's all good. Oh, can't get mad at Ruby. Mad at myself because I didn't even think about the safety switch back here. Hell, she just being a kid, playing around. I mean, I would have killed to have a tractor to play around when I was a kid. I had a cardboard box. That was my 18-wheeler. Anybody play in cardboard boxes when they were a kid? I had one for a long time, probably till I was 16. No, just kidding, 15. All right, let's get all this crap, all the tools put up, and let's move these vehicles.